YouTube friends, Catherine with the blog ourtimberhome.com. Today we're going to be making a lovely fall soup. Thank you. You're so sweet. So let's get cooking. Once it is cut, scrape out all the seeds, of course. I had to bag up the squash. It has been quite hectic here, so unfortunately this soup had to be a 2 and 3 day process. You don't have to use this, but I have some old Pampered Chef stoneware. So once the squash is cut in two and deseeded, basically just sprinkle them with a little bit of olive oil, and then you will be flipping them over and adding some water to steam them in the oven. Preheat your oven to 400 and it will take them about an hour to cook. They will come out looking lovely and slightly caramelized. Don't forget to flip them over skin side up, and that is when you add the water. Just enough to cover the bottom of the pan a little bit. This recipe calls for 2 whole squash. So when you cut them in two, of course, you wind up with 4 pieces. 2 of them were quite large, so as you see, I had to split them up between 2 different pans. Squashes in the oven, take 2 whole garlic bulbs, cut the top off and sprinkle it with olive oil and wrap it with a couple of layers of tin foil. Put it in a glass pan and you can stick that in the oven as well. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. And as a reminder, our fall collab is coming to an end, so don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box below. And as always, have a blessed day, and I will see you in the next video.